Hello friends, welcome to AWS with Jaymit. In this session, I will going to show you how to set up a CloudWatch alarm to get alerts if your AWS uses bill exceeds certain amount. If you are a beginners and digging into AWS Cloud, different services, it would be better you set this alarm so that if you are getting any kind of billing, you can always get an alert on your AWS usage so that you don't get more bill when you are digging into AWS as a beginner. So when you are a beginner and starting, you can explore your billing related detail from AWS Explorer in billing and cost management section, where you will see like what will be the forecast of this month, what will be the last month bill, right? So here we will see the all the detail related to billing in billing and cost management section. Now let me show you how you can set up that alarm related to bill. So first thing you need to go into CloudWatch section. So you need to find a CloudWatch section that will help you with the setting up your alarms. So you need to go into alarm section in CloudWatch. You need to click on create alarm, and here you will need to set up a matrix. So for setting up a billing related matrix, make sure you are in a US East 1 region, US East 1 Virginia region, North Virginia region, where you will get a billing related alarms. In some other region, you will not get a billing related alarms, alarm matrix. So to get a billing matrix, you need to make sure in US East 1 region. Let us select the matrix. So here you'll see different metrics available. So we need to search here billing so that we can get a billing related matrix. So here we see the billing total estimated charges. So we will use this matrix. So matrix name is estimated charges. So we will select this matrix for our alarm creation perspective. So here we selected the matrix AWS billing estimated charges, and we set a period for 6 hours and currency USD, and here we are setting the threshold whenever estimated charges is greater than, here we are setting up a nominal amount like 0.01 USD, so that as soon as any kind of bill come into your account, you will get a alert. So here we are giving 0.01 USD when it is greater than when estimated charge is greater than 0.0 USD, you will get an alert. So here we setting up estimated charges matrix. I am clicking on next step. So in next step, after setting the matrix, we need to set a alarm related details like notification, where we want to send a notification. So alarm generally in OK state, or it will go in alarm state when threshold exit. So when it is in alarm state, we need to select how we want to send the notification. So for sending a email notification, we will use SNS topic. So either existing SNS topic, or we need to create a new topic. So first we will create a new topic, new SNS topic. SNS is a simple notification service which we can use to get a email alerts, right? So here we will create a new topic. So this was the name default picking up here. We can give any name, default CloudWatch alarm topic. So we are creating this new topic. This is the SNS topic name, and here we need to give an email address. So I am using my email address for getting a alert here. So I am using my email address here, and I am creating a SNS topic. So now here we created a SNS topic, and we are using that SNS topic to get an alert on our email address when alarm billing exceeds the threshold. So now I already created a topic with this email address. We can also do some other actions, like if you want to trigger a Lambda function or a auto scaling or any EC2 instance start stop on CloudWatch alarm threshold exit, we can do that as well. Now I'm clicking on next. Here we need to give a alarm name. So here we will give a name, relevant name like billing alarm demo. We can give any name, and we can do tagging if we're doing a production project. So here we have a preview of our alarm. We have a matrix setup estimated charges more than 0.01 USD in last 6 hours. Then it will send us a triggered alarm on this SNS topic, and this SNS topic having any email subscribed, they will get alerts, right? So here we are creating the alarm. So as soon as we create an alarm, like we see here, this alarm is get created, right? So this is the alarm, and these are the metrics. Estimated charges more than 0.01 dollar in last 6 hours, then it will trigger this alarm. So right now it is preparing the data, so it is showing insufficient data in the state. It will go into OK state after that. Here we are getting warning like this action send a message to SNS topic with an endpoint that is pending confirmation. So now we'll see the SNS, right? We have a SNS which is created, so we'll see that. Here we have a one SNS topic created, right? So default CloudWatch alarm that we created during creating that CloudWatch alarm. If we go to this topic, we will have a subscription. So we subscribe this email address, my email address, but it is showing pending confirmation. So that is why it is showing here warning, like whenever the pending confirmation, it will not able to send the alerts. So to confirm this, we received one subscription email, AWS notification subscription email to that SNS topic. So whenever we are subscribing an email to SNS, we need to confirm that subscription. So once we confirm this subscription, this confirmation is success. We will see here the status updated, right? This subscription confirmation. So now here we will show that confirm subscription for this email address for this SNS topic alert. Here we already confirmed the SNS subscription. Now let us refresh the alarm here. It is showing in OK state now, right? Yeah, this will be settled down maybe after some time, right? Generally it should be immediately, but it's showing still action. So here it is showing in OK stated, right? So as soon as this alarm trigger and it is goes in alarm status, it will send a trigger to this SNS topic, and this SNS topic will send a email to this email address, like say, so that we get an alert. This exceed the whatever we configured right here. So it will send us an alert that way. So right now it is in normal state because our billing is not exceed the amount we configured currently. Another way is like this estimated, sometime what happened like this estimated charges matrix not send a alarm, or because we have a 6 hours period, because if we are using, like we have any credits, right? AWS credit. I am a AWS community builder, so I having some credit. So in some certain scenario, if our cost usage settle down from our credits, I have this credit. So if settle down from credit, last month I having some bill of $155. So it was already settled down from this credit. So I did not get this CloudWatch alarm at that time because we have a 6 hours period, right? So in such kind of situation, it would better to have a one more alarms. That is a budget related alarm. So that we can set up from this section. We need to go into billing and cost management. Here we can go into budget section. So it would be better to we create a one more budget related alarm as well. That will give us a alarm or trigger even though it will settle down from our credits, AWS credit, right? So zero spend budget, we have this. Either we can set this also monthly cost budget or a zero spend budget. So here it will be zero spend budget. We are setting up this budget, AWS budget. It will send us a alerts. So I'm giving my email address here. You will be notified via email when your spend about 0.01 is in occurred, right? So we are creating this budget. So right now this budget in healthy state showing here, right? As soon as we create it. As soon as it will exceed that 0.01 dollar, it will show here it is in alarm thread. We can create one more budget. I can show you like how this monthly cost budget working. So I am creating a monthly cost budget. Create a monthly cost budget that notify if you exceed or any forecast exceed the budget amount, so that it will do some forecasting as well based on your uses. So I am selecting here my monthly cost budget. I am putting here 0.01 as a nominal amount, and here I am giving my email address for budget alert. So this alarm will trigger or budget will alarm will trigger as soon as exceeds the actual use amount or a forecast amount for that particular month. So I am creating that budget. So here you see like my monthly cost budget alarm already showing in healthy state, but it was exit threshold for forecasting because having some bill this month. So it was exceeding actual entire month forecasting is exceeding the 0.01 dollar. So it was saying one alert was already sent, right? So if I see my email address, I get the alerts. AWS budget, my monthly cost budget has exceeded your alert threshold. So I get this alarm from budget. So my monthly cost budget is like 0.01 dollar, but it is saying like you have expected forecasting billing for this month is 0.06, right? So that way, even though this amount will settle down from my AWS credit, still it will send me the alarm. So this is good to have apart from CloudWatch alarm, estimated cost metrics. It is also better to set up this budget as well, like monthly budget. This will be good to set this monthly budget cost on our budget section. So this way you will get alerts on your email address as soon as your uses exceed or a forecast exceed for a certain amount, either from your actual bill or from your AWS credit. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share with your beginners friend, and subscribe my channel AWS with Jaymit. Thank you for watching again.